comes John and Sandy again. I just pull in and they're almost ready. Happy campers? Oh, puppies are not happy as Sandy. Stop. So we're here at the Ashland KOA, and we've already made a new friend, just pulled in. Got some people across the way. They're from Wisconsin and Oklahoma. They're here on work. They've been here for several months, and they just gave us a bunch of firewood. So how awesome is that? Now we can have our campfire. So excited. All right, gonna get you set back up. Hopefully watch the RV getting set up. It's Saturday morning here at Ashland KOA in Kentucky, and everybody's up doing different things, which is what makes a camp a camp. So we have our friends Sandy and John next door, and I've been over there cutting up potatoes, and they're making a hash for us this morning. And Chris has been outside making pancakes and sausage. I've been doing eggs in here. Kids have walked the dogs. I'm getting ready to wait. Puppies are playing.
Get like 4 360s.
Sorry about that. Little interruption when the puppies play. You have to watch it. And then he's done. Attention span of a squirrel. Anyway, so everybody's up doing some stuff this morning, and I've already got some stuff lined out for later on this afternoon. I'm gonna make Ryan, he really likes a pickle dip, a dill pickle dip. So I've got some stuff laid out. I'm letting the cream cheese thaw out a little bit, soften up. And so we're going to go over and eat breakfast, and then by the time we're done with that, I'll be able to make this for him. We're going to go swimming in a few minutes. So just a lot going on. Ooh, got something else going on over here in the sink. Chris is thawing out some deer tenderloins. Abby caught a tuna, black tuna, last year in Florida, and we're going to smoke that today, and the deer tenderloins. So lots going on. Let's walk over to Camp Keeler and check out the breakfast table, and then I won't make you all watch us eat, but, you know. All right, here we go. Come on, Ray. There's Mr. Keeler making our hash little patties. Yummy.
My eggs didn't turn out. Well,
Your runny eggs were not runny?
Stuck, and I got some crispy parts in them, so.
Lucky, right?
Did you take
You may want to ask John if he wants to make him a couple eggs, unless he wants scrambled eggs.
Yeah, I can make more eggs if we need to. All right.
That's John's hash.
Got pancakes, eggs, sausage. We're missing Sandy. She coming out or not feeling good?
You take shopping for a walk, she's outside all day.
You'll do that real quick before we eat? Thank you, thank you. All right. He's following you. All right. We're going to eat. We'll see you in a little bit. Bye.
All right, folks. We're going to attempt to ride our bikes to the pool. I say attempt. It's me and Ryan and Abby, Becky. Ryan brakes are questionable, he says. And there's the first hill we got to try to make it up. That bad boy. And then there's another one just like it after a flat place up there to have a heart attack. I'm gonna get to the other one, but this is the lower lot at KOA in Ashland. And there's nothing down here, but there's a fishing pond over there. and I think there's a bathhouse down that way. But all the activities are on top of the hill, so that's where we're heading.
We're headed over to Camp Keeler again to eat again. It's what we do pretty much. Look, Abby's already got some watermelon. What?
Lifters on that big cooler pot to keep it here.
Hold it up a couple of times. Make your own.
May the force be with you.
Don't drop it on your foot. Think about that.
Thank you.
Look at that.
Blueberry cobbler ice cream. Yes.
Got your watermelon, huh?
Yay.
Great.
The official results are in. We have Abby coming in with 29.
Because I got an 8.
She did get the snowman over on number 7.
It's tough on 7 today.
A lot of roughs, a lot of hazards, a lot of off-course adventures. Becky came in with a 25.
It's respectable.
Beat Abby, that's right. And then Chris, Mr. B, a 22 strokes.
It's tough out there. Sweat in the eyes. And other places.
Sunscreen.
I can see
Stiff
your
competition.
I think it's time to go to the pool.
We're going to the pool. It's too hot for this.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
You get to cook supper.
sweat. Sounds about right.
Hey.
So we've been at the Ashland KOA in Kentucky since Friday afternoon. It's Monday morning. Chris got me up way too early to do this. Me and little wee here, Max, we still want to be in bed, but we're working it. it's time to get up and pack everything up and head home. We're actually about 2.5, 3 hours from home, which is one of our further trips out of our home base. So we're learning. Been a very good weekend. Got hotter than we thought it was going to be. So we're able to utilize the pool here, and it was very refreshing. The campground is divided into 2 halves. There's an upper section and a lower section, and we are down in the lower section. So to get to some of the activities, the pool, the cornhole tournament, the mini golf that we did, and Abby went up and played bingo, you have to kind of walk a very steep hill to get there. So unless you have a golf cart, moped, I don't know, something to drag you up the hill, or unless you're in better shape than I am, then being up in the upper section would have been a better choice if you have a choice. Down here in the lower section, we do have the fishing pond. There's a volleyball net. There is a shower house. We've been able to ride our bikes, walk the dogs well. There's a dog park on the upper section as well. So for us and the puppies, we've just been on our leashes walking around. But they've been fine with that. So very nice campground. The owners are super, super nice. Shashi, did you get in on the action too? No? Good babies. My good babies. Camera hogs. Not being in the action.
Here's Abby.
There I went. Fresh out of the shower.
Fresh out of the shower. Ready for adventure.
Smelling
What'd you
fresh.
think of the Ashland KOA, Abby?
I liked it. It was pretty cool. I mean, we didn't fish in the pond, but
What's the best part?
best part, definitely not going down that hill.
So, hill would be worst part.
Best part, me breaking my bike. That's pretty fun.
Her handlebars had an accident. Came loose.
No, I think swimming.
Swimming was the best?
Yeah.
Okay.
Family adventure.
Family adventure. That's right.
If I had to say top things, I mean, spending time with my family is definitely always the tops. I really enjoyed 2 nights worth of cobbler done in the Dutch oven on the campfires. Ryan did those. We did a blueberry cobbler the first night, super yummy, sweet. And then last night we did an apple cobbler. So we'll be doing those in the next upcoming videos and let Ryan show you his magic on that. He's getting really good at it, and they're really yummy. Good way to end the day. Everybody sits around just going,
And ice cream.
A big tub of ice cream to go with it, a la mode. It's yummy. We played cornhole late last night, and that was fun. So just a lot of good memories. Ashland KOA is a good place to stay. It's a little out of the way for us, and we would rather be up on the top section. But other than that, a very good weekend. We'll be heading back out in a couple weeks to a splash park. I think the kids are going to have some friends with them. So Shaka wants to share with you her stinky toy. And all right, we'll see you all next time. Bye.